Hi. Uh, if I cannot talk something, but today, this evening, I will spend the night in one of the what do you call that? Tourism objects in Probolinggo. They called Madakaripura. Actually, this is not my first time to come to this waterfall. This waterfall, Madakaripura, but it's quite far here. It's about going there in your camera in the left side. It take about 1 kilo, quite far. And this is not my first time to come here, but this many time I came to here, but this is the first time I spent the night and solo camping here in the middle of this jungle. But not really jungle, but nice to you know uh, camping here. But it's not easy to come here because we have to take permission from the what do you call that, the guard man. Indonesian say juru kunci. We have to take permission first if he allow us to spend the night here, so we can spend the night, but not so far. The guard man brought me cassava.
There it is. He brought me some cassava.
I don't know. I hope I can find the wood to make a fire here, and then I will burn this cassava. I hope I can find the wood, and then I didn't feel hungry today, so I will not cook for my dinner in the afternoon. I made a good people. They gave me some lunch, and then guard man juru kunci here, he gave me to the dinner. Alhamdulillah, I always meet the good people here around when I have a touring camping. I always meet good people. Alhamdulillah. Well, maybe this evening I just want to make some coffee. Yeah. Well, let's make a coffee.